1, 2, 3, action. No. No, look though, he's coming. Oh, shit.
Take the pictures.
Mom?
Take the pictures.
Save the baby. Save the baby. Mom, he's trying to bite you. Oh God. This is Mom. That is Scary Big Bird. That is a bird sitting on a crocodile's back. Freaky scary. I think so. Look again. Scary Big Bird. Mom, try to take it out of her head. And he just shit.
Did you take a picture of it? Did you catch it on film?
I think I did. Oh my God. It's like that's what I think of you not sharing.
Thanks for the hot dog, bitch. Look, he's swimming over.
I know, I have it. Oh God, there's like poo flying everywhere.
Surfing.
Look, John, it's a surfing bird.
Oh my goodness, they do have blue eyes.
Freaky birdie. Okay. Well,
Did you catch that little bird watching the whole thing?
that was an observer, hard five participant. And there's another one.
Don't go so fast. People will get seasick watching it. Okay, we have to run through the bird alley. Look at all